Hey guys, so you've got a Ranger or Everest and all of a sudden the auto folding mirrors have stopped working. Now the main reason that this usually happens is because Ford have carried out an over-the-air update for your Sync 4 system in the car, and for some reason this stops the auto fold mirrors from working. So the first thing you need to do to reset those mirrors is to jump in the car, and I'd recommend that you start the engine, and that way we've got plenty of power for the system. Once the sync screen is booted up and is displaying correctly, the first thing we need to do is click on the little car icon at the top of the screen. Once that opens up, you'll see a vehicle, so click on vehicle, and then once you open up the next menu, you'll see at the very bottom that you have a menu for the mirrors. So click on the mirrors and you'll see the auto fold mirrors are toggled to the off position. So all we need to do is toggle the auto mirrors on, and the auto fold mirrors will start working again for you. It is really that simple. If you do have any trouble, please leave me a message in the comments and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.